Hello everyone, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, I do the Battlegrounds mobile game opening speed test comparison between the Poco F3 GT versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. Let's see which phone will be able to open the Battlegrounds mobile game faster. That is what I'm going to exactly compare between both of the smartphones, and both phones they do have the Dimensity 1200 chipset and 8GB RAM variant, which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. So in this test, I'll try to use the two different methods. So first method is without using any kind of high performance mode, and second method with using high performance mode. In the OnePlus Nord 2, we do know if you use the high performance mode, the phone will be boosted with plenty of performance. Yes, so if you try to see the ANTUTU benchmark score, without high performance the phone can get only 6 lakhs. With high performance it can go up to 6,70,000. So CPU and the GPU will be boosted a lot. That is the reason I thought of doing two different tests. So first let me show you exactly what is a Wi-Fi connection I have connected during this process of demonstration, because you should know what kind of Wi-Fi also both phones are connected right now. As you can see, 5 GHz network, both phones are connected. I'm trying to clear everything from the background, RAM management, so everything is completely clean from the background. As you can see, friends, absolutely. And now let's start the test, and without wasting any time. And right now I'm not using any kind of high performance mode. You cannot see any kind of symbol indication, and there's no message in the notification as well, as you can see exactly. So now let's start the test without wasting any time. 1, 2, 3. Let's see which phone will be able to open the Battlegrounds mobile game faster. And right now I'm not using any kind of high performance mode, and yes, the Poco F3 GT was able to open the game faster than the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see clearly the difference in terms of the loading speeds between both phones. Exactly, yes. As you can see, friends, the Poco F3 GT was able to open quite fast, not an issue. And now let's do the one more thing. Let me try to use the high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2, and let's start the test again. Let's see what happens next. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends. Let's see will there be any kind of difference or not using high performance or mode and without using. So let's go to the battery section in this OnePlus Nord 2, and the more battery setting and high performance mode, done, it's enabled, as you can see. And let me try to clear everything from the background. So everything is completely clean from the background in both phones, absolutely fine. Now let me try to start opening the Battlegrounds mobile game at same time. 1, 2, 3. So now let's see, friends, with the high performance mode, how much difference can it make in the OnePlus Nord 2? Will the animation come faster or not? First the Poco F3 GT, but I can see the speed increased in the OnePlus Nord 2. The difference is not a huge at this moment. Let me try to log into my account at this point. So I'll try to do the test again. So because my account got logged out, I'm not sure why it got logged out. Let me try to do the test again. I'll try to go to the home screen and clearing everything from the background. So all the apps are completely clean. As you can see, everything is clean. Let's start the test again. 1, 2, 3. So let's see the second time what will happen between both phones in terms of the opening speeds. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends. As you can see the gap, again, it's very small gap. So before it used to be huge gap between both phones, but right now the gap has been decreased. You can see the loading speeds. As you can see, friends, this is what I'm trying to talk about. So if you use the high performance mode, the performance will be definitely impacted in the OnePlus Nord 2. So I'm not sure about how much in the Realme X1 Max it will be impacted, but in the OnePlus it will be impacted a very much significant amount of difference you can actually see in this phone if you use the high performance mode. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick example which I thought of just demonstrating you live in front of the camera, so you know what to do with this both phones. So even if you don't use high performance mode, nothing at all, the Poco F3 GT was able to open the game 2 times and 3 times I think faster than the OnePlus Nord 2. Just a little bit, not much. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see in the next video, friends. I'll link straight up more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off. Bye.